24th Media and Wassh Productions orientation class for IGF digital skills training. IDEAS stands for innovation in the effectiveness and development of skills acquisitions in Nigeria. That's the meaning of IDEAS. The IGF that follows it is Innovative Grant Facility. The federal government is giving you a facility to be trained as cinematographers, video editing, and sound recorders.
The IGF program is a 6-month program. We have the training aspect, which will be 3 months. Then the internship, that's after the training, where we'll send you to various organizations and you go on 3 months. So in all, it's 6 months.
As a cinematographer, you have the opportunity to really travel around. I think I am well traveled in Nigeria because of cinematography and filmmaking in general. And I hope that most of the women I'm seeing here are for cinematography, because these days NGOs are really all about women empowerment, and I can assure you no one tells a woman's story better than a woman.
We want to be paying you some things that we call stipends. You have to know that the stipends are tied to your attendance and your dedication to what you're doing. I am going to provide you an email address and a phone number where you can reach out to me. Believe me, I'm going to be here almost every day to make sure you guys are okay. Especially the ladies, I'm here for you.
At the end of this project, this training, a lot of you will not have a slight regret why you spend your 6 months away from whatever you're doing. I only want to crave your indulgence to take it seriously.
I want us to be very patient, pay attention. This industry or editing field has huge potential.